Integrate the ServiceNow Custom Engine Agent within Microsoft Copilot Agent Store for greater benefits. In 365, users can self-resolve IT issues, find rich information from ServiceNow knowledge base articles, and order catalog items conversationally. Let's see how Beth Anglin, a sales rep at Contoso, can quickly order a loaner laptop. Her admin has already installed the Now Virtual Agent bot from ServiceNow in the Microsoft Copilot Agent Store. Beth clicks it and enters her request for a laptop. It responds with a summary of steps and actions needed for the request. She starts the request. The agent prompts her to indicate when she needs the laptop. With all the information gathered, the agent prompts Beth to confirm her request. It looks good, so she submits it. The agent submits the request on her behalf and provides a link to the requested item. After integrating Now Assist and Virtual Agent in the Copilot Agent Store, your users can leverage the ServiceNow AI platform to easily self-resolve IT issues, retrieve information, and order items, all from one interface. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask the question in the ServiceNow community.